Hi po.
Wow.
Hello!
Okay lang.
Wala. Hi, Jacqueline!
Hello, good morning!
Good morning!
Pinilipe. Pinilipe na naman kayo. Namili lang. Ako lang yun. Parang may pasok ka nun, no?
Oh. Okay lang yun. Thank you!
Doon ko nga lang narinig si Barnabas yung ikaw nag...
It's your job, if you're a Christian, to get close to Jesus. It's no one else's job.
Business.
Wow, hi Jacqueline! Sarap?
Yep.
Salamat!
Mga vlogger. You have some hot sauce?
Hot sauce, yeah. Just anything else? Or?
A knife and
Cutlery, yeah, I'll put it there.
Thank you. Wow.
Hello, that was it?
well,
Gusto mo yun? Gusto mo yun?
masarap. Pero yung in-order kasi namin yung isang ano na,
Kami din gano'n.
naumay kami.
Oo, may din kami.
Inuwi lang namin.
Kami din.
Harap doon, no?
Masarap.
Pero ito masarap.
Pero pag na yung sobrang dami, same na ano, maumay.
Naumay din kami.
For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. Jesus has died for each and
Hi guys! Hello! Hello! You joining? Wow! Wow!
Not the guy that's sitting.
Bye! Bye guys! Bye-bye!
Ganda naman ng
Bye sa vlog! Bye-bye!
Bye vlog!
Bye-bye!
Oh my guys!
Welcome to my guys! Hi Lemon! Ang cute mo! Opo!
Ating napakagandang
Yun naman natin.
pamangkin.
Wow.
Yes. She's beautiful. Hi, pretty!
Thank you po! Bye-bye po!